This is how it's all done, so it's less likely to be manipulated. And right now, this is what's really slowing down these processes, the turn time for the appraisal.
Welcome to the Investor Financing Podcast, where we interview real estate investors and lenders so you can learn all the secrets to getting your projects funded and scale your portfolio. And now, your host, Beau Eckstein.
How did the appraisal process work? So after the mortgage meltdown in 2007-8, they came in, and for conventional lenders, they came up with appraisal rules which said, hey, you can't just call your friend that's an appraiser to do an appraisal. You have to use an approved AMC, which is an appraisal management company. So most of these funds, if not all, are the same way. Let's just say we're going to go back to our example. We submit the loan for the purchase price. We provide the purchase agreement and the construction budget and scope of work to the appraisal management company. They go through their directory of their approved appraisers. They usually get turn times from each appraiser, and then they figure out who's the best cost out of that group and turn time, and the appraisal's ordered from there.
You're listening to the Investor Financing Podcast. We'll be right back after this break.
Are you looking for capital for your business? Whether you need to get new equipment, finance your accounts receivable, raise working capital, or acquire commercial real estate, SBA Exchange can help you get approved and funded. SBA programs can also fund ground-up construction projects. The process is simple, and the initial consultation is free. Simply book a call. An advisor will call you at your desired time. We have built relationships with the top SBA lenders. We know their lending appetite. We will source and connect you with the appropriate lender. You will not waste time trying to figure out who to apply with and how to get started, and follow the process through to completion. We have streamlined the lending process from A to Z and work with you on all forms and documents to expedite your loan approval. SBA Exchange is the marketplace for SBA financing.
So what the AMC really does, it prohibits loan officers having influence on appraisers, and it keeps that kind of arm's length distance, which it makes sense. You can't, that's smart for these guys to do. I mean, I'm sure there's still ways around that, but this is how it's all done, so it's less likely to be manipulated. And right now, this is what's really slowing down the process, the turn time for the appraisal. So when you're figuring out if speed is the necessity on the deal, sometimes it's easier just to come in with the down payment and the rehab yourself because you can close quicker, or have the conversation with your loan officer up front and, hey, this is time of the essence. That's usually my conversation that I have with my borrowers, because sometimes we have to go with certain lenders because they can move a lot faster than other lenders. Sometimes they don't require a full appraisal. Some lenders need a full appraisal, and that's going to take way longer.